What's up guys, Alex over here. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna do kind of like a little review because I got a product that was sent to me and it's something that I already have, but this one is gonna be a little bit different for me, I guess, and we're gonna test it out and see how it works. So this company reached out via email to do a collaboration and they sent me this product. Is the name brand is Sametop, as you can see over here, and as you can see over here, it's a chest mount, but it's actually for a phone holder. And according to this holds big phones. Like I currently have a Samsung S23 Ultra. That's what I'm going to be working on because I made sure that it's supposed to fit it, and it also has a compatibility to be able to mount a GoPro like a regular chest mount. So let's go open this up and see what we got. All right, so it comes like this, and we have 3 little bags in here. Apparently this one is for the phone holder, which this is the one that we're going to be using over here. And we have the GoPro mount, and it opens up with a screw. I wish it was just like a click, a push button, something like that, so that we can put the phone in there, but it's not. And but that's what we're gonna be using. And then you just tighten it up, and then you can loose over here the back so that you can rotate, so you can do portrait mode or landscape mode. So today we're gonna try to use the landscape just to show you a little bit of a clip. Then of course we have the GoPro mount, and this is a good one because it has the little clip over here that keeps the clip in place. I like this type of GoPro mounts with its screw right here. And then of course we have the chest mount. And what I like about this one, whenever they send this to me, is the quality. It seems to be good quality, and that's what we're gonna be looking at today. And hopefully this will be a good addition to my kit, because sometimes you don't have the GoPro. Now let's see how this thing opens. Apparently you just click right here, opens up very quick and easy, and clips right in. So again, you can just go ahead and hook this up like for a regular GoPro, and then you have your phone mount, or you can hook up your GoPro right away. Tighten it up. And I'm gonna push the clip, well, the plastic thing over here in the back, so that this thing has more space to move back. And right here it's very tight and it's very, very firm. The only concern that I have, well, we shouldn't be, because right now there's nothing in here, because it makes a little bit of a vibration noise. So we're gonna see how that goes whenever I put on my phone in there. Now to put it on, quick and easy, like this, and it clips in. And of course you have the adjustments over here on the sides, and also you have adjustments for the shoulder, and this is how it's gonna look. So far so good. We're gonna test what the phone can do. Hopefully we get a nice video. So I'm gonna do a quick little clip. You guys judge for yourselves, but I will leave an affiliate link for this one in the description below and tell you what I think afterwards. But so far, I mean, if you want it just for the GoPro, this is perfect as well. It's comfortable, it's breathable, the material is nice, it's thick, it's sturdy. And you can just have a regular GoPro mount over here if you want to. But if some of you don't have a GoPro, so this is a great addition. Wow, you get a GoPro or similar item, something like that. But for this, I think it's also gonna depend on the quality of your phone, what type of phone you carry. Like I said, I have a Samsung S23 Ultra, so and it records really good video. I'm actually recording with it, and I'm gonna do the little clip with that on the trail to see how this goes. So without further ado, again, check the affiliates in the description below. Let's ride. Well, I'm already over here on the trail. put my chesty on and I'm gonna do a little clip in this area, see how it looks. Hopefully not too bad, but let's only one way to find out. Is it recording? Yeah, it is recording. So currently have it like this. Well, you can't see, but hopefully video is good. Stabilization, well, that's up to the phone itself, has nothing to do with the chesty. But one thing I can already notice is that it's not rattling around like I told you at the beginning of the video, because now there's compression between the set edges of the phone. And what we care about the most is actually the quality of the video, to see if this is something viable. Now, not an expert, but I think, well, the chesty feels good. Chesty, there's no doubt about it. It's a good product, and like I said, at the end of the day, it's your phone that's gonna produce the quality of recording. I know mine has a stabilization and everything, plus having it like this might act a little bit as a gimbal, maybe not too much like if it was on the head. But if you're gonna do something like this with your phone, you gotta consider heating and overheating issues. And well, I guess you can judge by yourself the quality. I mean, the product, don't get me wrong, this thing works really well. Whether you're using your phone, it's up to you. I like it because it has that capability. But other than that, if you have a regular GoPro and use the phone thing as a last resource, this is a great product. And I'll leave the affiliate in the description below. Check it out. Other than that, I'm gonna keep on riding, and that's it. Let's ride. Goodbye.